I want to show you one other, the for in loop. And to do that, I'm still going to use this array. I'm just going to change it. This is even getting a lot simpler. This is getting a lot simpler. To do that, all you need to do is to say, okay, var initialize as usual, I in fruit. I know you love this. I in fruits. Okay, let's go ahead and see this. So I don't need this at this point. I'll just go ahead and comment this out. Hula. For I in fruits. So I'll go ahead and add another one. I will say Oroma Nkrishi. That's a name. That's the way we call a kind of orange in the Igbo dialect. So enjoy it. So you should pay for all that as well. I just taught you a new language. Okay, so lastly, we have done the do loop, we have done do while loop, we have done the for loop, we have done the for in loop. Okay, it's very simple. I want to do the for off. Okay, so to do the for off, the condition here will just change. We're going to say let fruits. Okay, so let me just take this off and use a new example. I'm going to I'm going to create an array. I'm going to say let letters equal to, I'm going to populate this with a list of arrays, alphabet arrays. Okay, let me format this a little bit. And so I'm going to use the for in as usual the condition. So it keeps getting shorter. This is applicable to ES6. ES6 is just the latest version of JavaScript. So we're going to say let letter of this array. And so this, I'm not sure if it's supported by most browsers. So I'm going to say document.write. So we're going to say letter. So let's preview this. Okay, so it took it and displayed all of them for us. So I'm gonna say I'm going to say let there be a paragraph here. And so, and go ahead and write a list of students. That's your assignment, and use all of this loop. Use the do loop, the while loop, the for loop, the for in loop, and loop through them. And so that's it about loop. Enjoy it. It's your power. All right, so in the next class we'll be covering some other things in tutorial. I hope you're learning a lot. So if you're here to subscribe, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you're learning. Don't forget to submit your assignments on every tutorial you watch, and I'll always be here to respond. My name is Chike Okoli and I'm your instructor on your tutorial. See you later.